Our mind is perhaps the most powerful tool every human is endowed with. The law of attraction tells us that whatever we set our mind to, we can surely attract it. We can draw anything like money, dream job, satisfying relationships, good health, and other desires if we're just eager to attain it. Moreover, positive thinking is so powerful to be defeated by failures. Our mind has the power to keep moving forward and hope for the best despite the failures we may have encountered. So how do we learn to develop having this positive mantra every day? This book helps unravel the key to a positive attitude to attract what we want in life. Here are the top 7 lessons from the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Lesson 1. Fix your mind on the things you want to achieve. The Secret reveals the power of our dominant thoughts. Byrne emphasizes that whatever we always think about will also manifest through our actions and beliefs. Therefore, Byrne suggests that we should keep our minds on what we want to achieve. We should create positive thoughts to create positive outcomes in our lives. For example, if we fill our minds with gladness, we will expect to show joy to others and even share our happiness with them. Similarly, if we feed our minds with visions of success in the future, we're more motivated to do extraordinary things to achieve it because we already programmed that vision in our system. Therefore, we should think more about what we want to become and what we want to have instead of the failures we might encounter along the way. Lesson 2. Create a positive mantra that will help you keep moving forward. Our mind exerts a powerful influence on both our thoughts and actions. Thus, the repeated utterance of a positive affirmation influences us to become what we want to be. According to Byrne, a positive mantra provokes our thoughts to create a powerful environment that pushes us to achieve our goals and desires. It magnets positivity that will help us reach our goals instead of discouragement. We could choose whatever positive affirmation we will say to ourselves as we start each day. It could be as specific as achieving a particular goal or a broad statement that will motivate you. Whatever would push you to be at your best works. Lesson 3. Listen to your inner voice. Byrne teaches us to ask ourselves what we truly want to be in our lives. This question also prompts us to be cautious about what we desire to achieve. We need to be sure that we're not doing things because others influence us, but instead we do so because this is what our minds and hearts want us to become. Nevertheless, Byrne also reminds us to structure our desires in a grateful manner. This means that we should state our desire followed by an appreciation for ourselves, that we've successfully determined something we certainly want to attain in our lives. Lesson 4. Strengthen your faith through your actions. Byrne emphasizes how our actions can help radiate our confidence. Moreover, she also emphasizes that faith comes before having confidence. Believing in the great things we can do before discouragement strikes is a significant factor in attaining success. We should never lose our faith in our competence and wit. We might fall sometimes, but let us remember that we need to believe in ourselves before others can. We should never underestimate our strengths and capabilities to reach our goals. Self-confidence radiates best to others if we genuinely believe in ourselves. Lesson 5. Consider it done. The law of attraction teaches us to always set our thoughts and visualize what we want to achieve. However, Byrne teaches us that instead of simply determining our goals, we must picture ourselves as already achieving those goals to magnet positive energy. Once we imagine ourselves already holding whatever we desire in our hands, we're more energized to start working our way towards that vision. This positive energy will help us create the best plan and strategies that will surely help turn that vision into a reality. Lesson 6. Focus on your positive attitude. Whatever challenge we face, stress is an expected part of the journey. When things become challenging and stressful, Byrne reminds us to maintain an attitude of perseverance and not give up chasing our dreams. Having this positive attitude helps us continue our journey. Setbacks and failures may come, but hope and faith must prevail if we want to reach success. Having a positive attitude matters in gaining positive results and achieving our goals. Lesson 7. Remember that you are what you think. Byrne believes that the universe operates based on the law of attraction. Whatever we think we will have or we will become affects the wholeness of our being. If we're full of frustrations, discouragement, and regrets, we cannot be happy because that's what we program ourselves to become. Consequently, she encourages us to feed our thoughts with positivity to attract positive outcomes. Just as when we look at ourselves in the mirror, it does not matter what people say. What matters is what we think of ourselves whenever we see our reflection. She also emphasizes staying away from negative thoughts, or even negative affirmations or utterances. We should hold on to positive things and ideas to create a positive outlook in life. In conclusion, this book motivates us to focus on what we want to possess or become. The law of attraction is the primary principle in this book that inspires us to think about positive things, rather than negative ones constantly. Byrne provides concrete examples and a comprehensive discussion in every chapter that helps readers appreciate the concepts even more. So if we want to make a significant change in our lives, we need to ask ourselves what we truly desire, believe that we are capable of achieving it, and prepare ourselves to receive it. And this all boils down to positive thoughts attracting positive outcomes. What positive mantra do you say to yourself each day? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for listening. If you like the book summary and you want to see more in this category, please like and subscribe so I can create more. You can also get a free copy of the entire audiobook by clicking the link in the description. Until next time.